Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to use CamScanner to take pictures of multiple pages and then convert it to a single PDF. I am going to open Play Store or App Store to download CamScanner, and then search for CamScanner. Mine is already downloaded, so I am going to update it and then open the CamScanner app. My download has been completed successfully. Now I am going to open the CamScanner app. The app will ask for some permissions such as notification, camera when you click the camera icon, and permission to your photos to save the file. We are going to accept all the permission. Now I am going to take the pictures of the paper that I wanted to merge into a single PDF. Make sure all the corners of the page is inside the camera and then click the picture. The app will automatically rotate the picture and crop the unwanted area. Then click the tick mark icon and you will get 3 options: done, continue and share. We will click on continue until we take pictures of all the papers that we wanted to merge into a single PDF. Now I am going to take the pictures of the second paper. And then I will click the tick mark icon and click on continue to take more pictures. Over here I will repeat the same process of capturing another picture. Till now I have taken pictures of 3 papers. Now I am going to share. By clicking on the upload icon I will get options to upload it to different cloud drives. We will choose the Google Drive icon and choose the PDF format. The app will ask us to allow us to log into my Google account. I will click continue and log into my Google account for this tutorial. I am going to use my G Suite for Education account. I am going to type my user ID and password, and then the app will prompt us that the CamScanner wants to access your Google account. I am going to click on allow to upload the file on my Google Drive. Now that the file has been uploaded to Google Drive, there is another way to share the file is through email. I will click on the send via email icon and get a few options on how I would like to share the file. Over here I am going to choose share PDF. The app will generate the PDF in the background and open the default email client in your mobile, which will have the merged PDF file attached. I am going to type my G Suite for Education email address and click on the send icon. Make sure you are using your G Suite for Education email address while sending the email to yourself, because you would not be able to send it to your G Suite for Education email addresses from outside domains such as Gmail, Yahoo or Hotmail.